Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now for this process we will need a SIM card with a contact on it. Now it doesn't really matter if the contact is real or not, it just needs to be on there. So anyway, let's pop in our SIM card. There we go. So automatically it reads the SIM card because it's requiring the PIN for it. And from there we're gonna go back to the first page because number one, it changed the language for some reason to a language of a SIM card, which is mildly infuriating. So let's bring back the language that I have selected at the beginning. There we go. And from here you want to go to emergency call, then emergency information, tap on it once more, then you want to select the pen to edit and choose add contact. Now there is a chance that when you tap on add contact there will be no contacts visible. If that is the case, just give it a moment for the contacts to load up. Sometimes it takes a moment for the card to actually load the contacts in. And if after several minutes you still don't see them, then maybe reboot your device and try after rebooting. So from here, select whatever contact you want. Once you have added that contact, tap on it. And from here, we're gonna go to the three dots and then select share. This will bring up a couple of options. So what you wanna do is hold Gmail. Make sure you hold it. This will bring up this window right here, and from here I want to select App Info. And now we're gonna go to Advanced. Okay, let me see. First we're gonna start with notifications here, Advanced, and then additional settings in the app. And from here, tap on the three dots and navigate to Help and Feedback. This will bring up the describe your issue field right here, so I'm gonna tap right over here and then search for Morse code, or just type in MO. And I don't have internet connection because I moved, so let me just go actually back and undo whatever I have done, just so I can add my network. Okay. So I'm gonna go back again. I'm gonna quickly go through this. Okay. Now that I can actually search for things and have internet connection, I can now select use Morse code. Then you want to tap on the video right here. It will load it up and give you a three-dot option on the video. Choose watch later. Which should open up your web browser. So let's select accept and continue, and no thanks. There we go. And now we want to navigate to HardReset.Info. So tap right at the top in the search bar and type in HardReset.Info. And from here, tap on the three bars, go to the download category. And then in the download search bar, you're gonna type in Android 8. As you can see, Android 8. Search for it. It will give you only one result right here, so select download. Scroll down once more and again choose download. There we go. So once you grant access for Chrome to access storage and stuff like that, it will download it, and from there you want to select open. And before we can actually install it, we'll need to navigate to settings and choose allow from this source, or well, allowing unknown sources installation. Go back and choose install. And once it's done installing, you're gonna select open. Now from here, I'm going to select Google Account Manager APK install and choose version 6.0. And again, settings, allow from the source, go back and install. Tap on done and then choose bypass FRP and select browser sign in, and then tap on the 3 dots right here and again choose browser sign in, which will open up this page for you to log into your Google account. Now, even though you do have option to create an account right here, I would recommend you to, if you're planning to create an account, to do it somewhere like on your computer or maybe another device instead of doing it here, because I haven't ever tested it, so I have no clue how well this works. So that being said, I'm gonna log in with my account. And from here, we need to insert our password, so I'm gonna do that off the screen. And there we go, it's now logged in. So from here, hold the power key and choose restart. So once more, it's asking me for the PIN for my SIM card. I'll confirm that quickly, and there we go. We are now back in the setup screen. So from here, I'm gonna again change the language because apparently keeping the language that we have selected is too difficult. So there we go. Now you will see a key difference right now while going through the setup. Once it actually loads this page up, go select don't copy. And there we go. As you can see, it's giving us information account added, and this is the account that I have added right before the reboot through the program that we have installed. So what this program did is basically override the old account, and now the phone thinks that we have added an account instead of verifying it. And we can simply finish up the setup. Now, while it will allow us to finish up the setup, the device is still not unlocked yet, so just keep that in mind. So what you want to do is right now skip through most of the setup right here, because it doesn't really matter what you choose right now. Once we gain access to the home screen, we will navigate to our settings and from there perform a factory data reset of the device. So from the home screen, we're, like I said, navigating to settings. Scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, or Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Select Reset Phone and erase everything, and this will begin the process. And this will probably take a couple minutes, but once it's complete, we will then be back in the setup screen with the device being fully unlocked, at which point you can set up your device however you like. So I just let this run through and I'll come back once factory reset has been completed. Okay, so as you can see, now the process has been completed and we can now go through the setup. Now this time around, I'll go through the setup as quick as I can, skipping basically everything that I can. And I'll point out I was able to skip Wi-Fi. If the device was still locked, skipping Wi-Fi is not an option. But because it's not, I can just breeze through it. And as you can see, the setup has been completed. There was no need to verify anything and the device is fully unlocked now. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.